Hello everyone, my name is Roman Kornev. I am a partner of the company and a marketer. And this week there will be some great news for couples. You can earn well right now. We will look at the significance of this news, what's happening, where the price will move, where the dollar will move. But we will also look at the reversal points directly on the chart of the trader platform. Well, I will also show which currency pair is best to trade with my trading robot. So let's start. Look at the euro. The dollar has been in this sideways movement for quite some time. And then when it just broke through the resistance, it went up, and now this pair is fluctuating there. I have been expecting for several weeks now that it will go down and bounce off the support line upwards, and you can profit from this, but so far the price hasn't reached it yet. And here's what will happen this week. But non-farm means that if the price does reach this line, support, but first of all, the support line itself is mirrored good and strong. Secondly, the news itself can also support the euro. And let's see why. On Friday, April 4th, there will be important news. The change in non-farm employment in the US, or the so-called non-farm. Look, the previous value was 151 and 128 is expected. What does this mean for us as traders? It means that bad news is expected for the US. If the data is confirmed and comes out worse than forecasted, then most likely this will lead to a decline in the dollar. At the time of the news release, there might be a strong jump in the dollar. We trade the euro dollar, so most likely there will be a rise in the euro dollar. And as we looked at the chart, if the price at the time of the news release is around the mirror support line, here this will doubly strengthen the signal and give us the opportunity to profit from the rise of the euro dollar. Therefore, don't forget to set all notifications and also subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the description of this video. There will be links to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. The Telegram channel will notify you 30 minutes before the news release. I inform everyone about the release of important news. We all earn from this together. Look, if the euro dollar price does go up during the week, there is a good resistance line here. Here is the quote, at 10957. From here, you can sell and profit from the decline. If the price approaches the resistance line, it will most likely bounce off it. Look, it has already done this twice. Therefore, it is highly likely that it will bounce off again and go down. You can sell here to profit from the decline. You need to open an account with the company, broker market, download the terminal, fund the account, and choose. Here is the trading volume. For example, a standard one lot, press the sell button if the price goes down. Let's say it covers this distance. Here's an example. Such a small distance of up to 150 points with such a standard trading volume means $150 in literally a few minutes or even seconds. If the price moves sharply due to important news releases, it moves significantly. I remind you that if you want to save time on finding reversal points and analysis, you can subscribe to my channel, and I provide a detailed analysis, reversal points, entry points, where to buy, where to sell, to make it easier for you to trade. Let's take a look at gold. I know you all love trading gold. I know this for a reason. I conducted a survey on my Telegram channel where I have almost 2,000 subscribers, and 80% of those who voted said they trade gold. So gold, yes, is such an important trading instrument that everyone loves. I marked two support lines here. I expected it to drop to the support valley and bounce back from there so we could profit from the rise. It hasn't reached there yet, but that doesn't mean these lines are obsolete. No, they remain. We are waiting, and on the contrary, it has formed another resistance line, also mirrored. Look, let's check the H1 time frame. Here the price broke through. It also bounced off this line twice, mirrored, maybe, well, not twice mirrored. This is just a good mirrored support line. So as soon as the price returns to this line, there will be a reversal point here. I expect growth here. You can buy and profit from the short-term rise. The price of gold is likely to continue rising, although it hasn't yet reached the 300 mark. The 300 mark is exactly the mark that the Telegram channel asked participants about. So, will it reach $3,100 for 3 functions by Friday? And the majority voted that it would reach here. Can you imagine? But it turned out that the majority was wrong. That's why the price didn't reach it, but we're waiting. I think it will break through. Look here, it's almost like an ascending, you could say, triangle has formed. So it very much suggests that it will go up. Now let's look at the currency pair, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. This currency pair is in a kind of sideways movement. Here it went down and now it's just moving up and down, up, down. This is very good for my trading robot. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, send me a message on Telegram. I'll tell you how to get it for free, especially if you're a trader with the company AMarkets. I even have a video on my channel where it's called The Robot Trades in both directions. My robot could trade when the price goes both up and down simultaneously, which isn't very good. And it earns best in such sideways trends, so don't miss this opportunity. Take it now, trade, watch, and if you trade manually, let's see if it goes back to 30. There are these two signals here. There's a resistance line. From here, it will be possible to sell and earn on the decline as soon as the price gives, but if it goes up again, there will be a correction from this line. Here we sell and profit from the decline. If the price goes down, there's good support, and you can also buy and profit from the rise. I remind you that if you are just starting to learn about the financial market, I recommend you take my basic trading course, especially if you are a partner or client of the company. You and Maka can get free access, open an account, and join my company's partner group. Both Maka and I will provide you with access to my beginner trading video course for free after you fund your account. This video is from my online guide. Use it, enhance your skills, and lay a solid foundation for your trading. Now let's take a look at the euro-pound currency pair. Here we have a resistance line. Let me show you on the time frame H4. You see, this is the structure. So I am waiting for the price to reach the resistance line. There will be a reversal point here. From there, you can sell and profit from the decline. And let's take a final look at the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is also in a sideways trend, and there are two possible scenarios here. If the price goes up, there will be a reversal point for selling. You can sell from the resistance and profit from the decline. But at the bottom right now, the price has bounced off the support line. Look at the small point, it bounced very precisely. This is proof that my reversal points work well, and now I expect this scenario to unfold. If the price continues downwards and breaks through the support line, then upon returning to this line, it will become a resistance line. And here, you might sell to profit from the decline because the price bounces very well off the mirrored resistance line. Let's go. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope my reversal point advice helps you. Write in the comments if you use my advice and what currency pairs you trade. Also, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There, 30 minutes before important news releases, including non-farm payrolls. I warn everyone, we earn together. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Trade with pleasure. Goodbye to all.